Hey guys, Gene here with FireSprint.com. I am once again at the FireSprint.com/tools page, and I am ready to show you another thing. Today I want to go over the sales leave behind sheets. So these are great. Let's say you're just walking in, maybe you're just like kind of cold walking into a place, or you're dropping something off. It's just something. If you don't have anything that you're leaving behind, start with this. It's a simple thing to do. And so you come to FireSprint.com/tools, click download file, and then there's a few different color options. Here's three. Pick a color option that matches your business, and then just come in here and type your business name up here and your email address, business address, maybe a phone number, just whatever contact information you feel like is necessary. And then you can edit all of this text. It's very quick and easy to edit, customize for your business. You can leave this just like it is, or you can come in and say, you know what, I don't do tumblers. I am not a fan of the tumbler fad. I have 90 Stanleys and that's enough. And then, you know, over here, power banks and chargers, maybe we'll say. I don't, whatever you feel like you need to edit, make those edits, and then just print it. File print kind of thing. Print this out, and oh, now I've got this here. Sorry. File print kind of thing. Print it out, and then you've got a quick, easy leave behind, which is way better than you know, walking in with nothing to show. So if you find this helpful, let us know. If you have other ideas for us or modifications for this, leave them in the YouTube comments below. That really does help us with this. Again, totally free. Use it as ever you see fit, even if you don't use us as a trade printer. FireSprint.com/tools. Thanks for watching.